In this video, I will show you exactly how to find and print your transfer receipts using the Sparkasse app step by step. Many people find themselves needing a physical or digital copy of their transaction history for record keeping or proof of payment, and luckily the process is quite simple once you know where to look. First, you need to open the Sparkasse app on your smartphone and log in securely using your credentials or biometric data. Once you are on the main dashboard, locate the specific account you used for the transaction and tap on it to view your recent activity. Scroll through your list of transactions until you find the specific transfer you are looking for and tap it once to open the detailed view. In this window, you will see all the relevant information regarding the payment, such as the recipient name and the date. Look for a button or an icon that says Share or More Options. This is usually located at the top or bottom of the screen. When you tap this, you can choose to save the receipt as a PDF file directly to your device or share it via email and messaging apps. If you want to print it immediately, simply select the print option from your phone's system menu and choose your connected printer. It is a great way to stay organized with your finances.